Hello and happy day, happy day. It is Sarah here and this is SarPlans. How's it going, everybody? So it's week 2 of our new style of daily duo planning and I am really enjoying this. I don't know if it's just that it's different and I like that, or if I really just enjoy the 2 spreads at once, but I will tell you, it's definitely my jam. All right, so we have a lot to get to and I don't really want to mess around. Now, I'm seeing some people really interested in the folio, okay, the on-the-go folio. I mentioned that I have 2. Here's my other one. I love them both. I love them both equally. This one's, I don't know, I love it. I just also love the flower power and want it in every single thing I possibly can have it in. This one, as you can clearly see, is also flowers. This one reminds me of traveling. Not reminds me, but almost like makes me want to, reminds me to branch out and do things and go places. It's so pretty and cutesy. Yeah, and it has served me very well. I need this in my other one. This is the sweetest little card for my daughter. Check it out. Hello, kitty. To Mom, I love you, from Keely. Yeah, so I keep this with me always. I forgot that it was in this one. So I'm gonna put this away and let's get to planning. What do you say? All right. Check it out. So I'm gonna pop this bad boy right in here. Right here. And there she shall stay. There she shall stay. Okay, so I'm loving this for right here because these are the things I need to do. And we gotta get all up in this. I meal planned already. Sorry, I had to. So, as you can clearly see, I meal planned and it is gonna be awesome. Now this is today and we didn't have this again. I laugh, but it just means I need lemons. They didn't even have lemons at Walmart the last time I went, so I did it. I had to do it early, and this is going to help me get through here and just get all my meals into the duo. All right, so let's do it. Okay, so let's pop it open to... Okay, so Monday the 11th, Tuesday the 12th, let's do this. Here we are, we have Planner Kate's Kit 302. Now I have planned in my hourly and I have planned in my petite with this kit so far, so that is why you see some of the stickers missing. First things first, let's get some stickers down. I know, you're probably like, Sarah, why did you do that? You're only planning for Monday and Tuesday. Yeah, I know, but it was getting on my nerves that I still had to put those in, and I don't think that you guys gain anything by me not putting them in the whole time. So that's that. All right, now, like I've done this entire time so far, I like to get some chunks of stickers in so that I can plan around them. So let's do that too. All right, well, I don't have a ton of this color stickers, and I think this is kind of nice. It works for me. So let's get the stuff in. If you mention SarPlans when you make a purchase from Plan Happy Creations, you will get my freebie. How freaking cool is that? It says make good choices, be good people, please. In a couple colors, you have forks and knives, you have those awesome hydration water trackers, adorable cups of coffee, and my favorites, do the things, drop them off and pick them up. So I will link her shop below. Don't forget to mention me when you purchase. And this comes with a $25 purchase. And I think that you've already seen how absolutely awesome this thing is. Lovely before the pen. So let's do it. Now, don't forget, I have my goals in here. All right, I filled out my week 2 goals. So this is monthly goals, that's week 1, and here are the week 2 goals. So I want to incorporate some of these in the week as well. So let's just start here, go all the way down, and we'll see where we find room in here to do that, okay? All right, what else do we need to do? I'm good. We good. I dig it. I like it. You know, I like to add a little bit more flair here. And I have these in. Now, these can cover these 2 days. I found that last week I jam-packed it all in and then added more here. And as some things didn't get done, I had to bump them over and I still had other things to do. So I think if I can bang out this list in these 2 days, we are fine as wine. So I'm hoping to doodle a little bit more in here. I hope you're enjoying that all into itself. So I want to talk about my morning routine. I have added reading and journaling in, so I'm trying to get up a little bit earlier. See how that goes. Setting my alarm, seeing how that goes. And my PM routine, I think I want to adjust that too, to focusing on getting in bed, because make sure the dog's walked, I make my husband's lunch, and then prep any snack for Joey because he's back in school, wash my face, make sure everybody brushes their teeth, and once everybody's in bed, we run through, not we, trust me, it's not the royal we, I run through and do a 10-minute tidy just to make sure that it's all good. There's no milk sitting out on the counter. Just stupid stuff like that, and I think every single one of you know what I'm talking about. There's always something left out, somebody forgot something, so that's what I mean. Oh, I have been flailing pens today like crazy. So, doodling a little bit, adding the flair, getting it all up in there, and that's that. It's Taco Tuesday, so I had to use my little smiley taco guy. All right, now, hopefully you saw my other couple videos. I dropped a wellness video real quick because I wanted to, and I want you to go check it out. I'm gonna link it right here. Definitely check that out and let me know in the comments what you think about the wellness. Which one do you like? Do you like the 6-month option better or the 3-month? I really want to hear this. I'm totally intrigued, because if I'm buying wellness 3 months at a clip, even if it's 4, I think it's only 3, but I still have to buy more than 1 for the year, and I feel like that's crazy. But at the same time, that thing really breaks your goals down and stuff, so I dig it. I like it both ways. How about that? All right, so what do I want? I want you, if you are not already subscribed, I want you to get down there and subscribe. Over half of my viewers are not subscribed, and I am busting my hump here to get to 1,000. So if you're my friend, share my videos, tell your friends that I am doing this and that you are a fan and that they should be too. If you are not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. You're gonna miss something good. And if you are subscribed, you are awesome, and I greatly appreciate you. All right, everybody, we are done. That is it. Call it a day. Hopefully I get this up and going any minute. And I hope you enjoyed it thoroughly. All right, Get down there and subscribe. What are you waiting for? And then make good choices. Be good people. Use those links down below to shop. Peace.